Sir, you didn't hear the bell wrong.
Yes, teacher, me here. Hey, boy, you don't put your clothes yet.
Close. Daddy, that man there now. Close should have been on him a long time ago.
Teacher, you don't know say the boy come in our house late last night and me have to roops him one time making jump and knock out. And so comes you end up in a sticky situation this morning.
Oh no. But next time none of that should happen. We need to put prayer under some serious discipline.
So teacher, no let her go on man, make you think him face looks up. You don't put on the clothes yet.
Yes, Daddy, but me not see no tie.
Teacher, you must have tie. Why you asking about tie? Where should be in front of the camera right now? Alright, teacher. Hey boy, come on, what you saying now? Teacher, you know say, in the early youth, my older sister they call me to come do some things here. So here what? Now I teach this boy a good lesson. So here I go on now. I go deal with something for my sister, my older sister, and come back.
Okay.
Okay, good afternoon, cause it's too late. Teacher, Daddy don't tell you a thing already, still I bring up back that. Hey boy, why you not talking to teacher in the youth? Daddy, I'm not talking to teacher now yet. Like me and your doubles.
Hey! When you stop the flabby dabby, you know me have other students to go teach, you know. Think of you alone.
Okay, ready teacher.
Okay, begins. Read.
Teacher, tell you the truth, tell you when I reading thing, you know, cause remember some father hoops me one time. Need to hurt me.
What you mean? So the school you come?
Teacher, which school? Yeah, you know.
Let me finish. The uncomfortable sentence below and fix it in the right order.
What about which sentence you talk about? Come here, look, I'm not seeing no sentence. I'm look at group. I talk about below. I'm look at group. I'm still not seeing none. So talk straight.
Hey, Brian, look on the paper and let me finish. You hear me?
Alright, teacher.
As I was saying, read the uncomfortable sentence below and fix it in the right order. So, true you say you're tired and your father ropes you one time. Let me read it for you.
Alright, teacher. Oh, everything I go on now.
My name is Jack and I have a sister, full
But
stop,
teacher,
and a brother.
how can I
and
be
they
in school
all
and
love
primary
me.
thing you
Come
give
on.
my boy? My boy in a big school, my boy going now.
His brain is very slow, so this is all I can give him until him up in thing as well as his game.
Daddy, teacher, I'm glad say Tony there so we can hear. This is school, that not ready for me. I'm not ready for it neither. So here, cut the crap and get me a light. I'm blaze up this light, I'm mad. Daddy, swing the light. You want the light? Alright. You want the light? Let me light, Daddy. I'm blaze up this light, man, no sense. We have a test. A quarantine time to quarantine time no, man. Yeah, man, I get the light, man. Yeah, man, I like that time, man.
Oh no! I'm gonna call the cops.
The boy in here. I be a video one, but if I knock him out 100 times, you understand it a go happen. And you know about police. You know no teaching skills neither. I go put him in a better school. Better school, cause you don't know. Watch when you wake up, I put him in a better school. Watch.